Hi everybody, it's Dave Kindig from Bitch and Rides and Kindig Design, and we are so excited to be here back at the SEMA show 2021. We're here with our very good friends partnered up with, and that is with AkzoNobel. This is our great partnership where we were able to create some wonderful colors and under the name of Modern Classic by Kindig. I'm so excited to be here once again. This is our 4th year in a row that we've been able to be with these guys, building some of the coolest cars and of course coating them with some of the finest paints known to man. Right here we've got one of our very favorite cars. This is a 65 Mustang. We've built this actually for the Optima Challenge. It was a little too late to do the Optima Challenge this year. So 22, we are actually going to have this in competition out front after the SEMA show. We've got 8 cars, all featuring Modern Classic by Sickens and AkzoNobel. And we've got some wonderful, wonderful friends that have cars painted with our stuff as well. I hope if you haven't got out here to the SEMA show this year, please make a chance to come out here next year, catch up with AkzoNobel, Kindig Design, and all of our other friends featuring our colors. And please get on to kindig.com or Modern Classic with the 2Ks.com. Check out all of the products we have, and I hope to see you guys again soon.